Hello guys, it's your girl Belinder and you're welcome to my channel. I started using onion juice on my hair sometime last year and I've seen significant growth. Previously my hair especially at the back here is really short, but right now it has grown, and thanks to this simple ingredient that you can find in your kitchen already. So how you do this is you just peel these three ingredients, and then you grate it and you just boil it under low heat for like few minutes. If you're using red onions, I'll advise you use red onions. If you're using red onions, while you're boiling it, you check the onions. When the color starts going down, when the shade of the color start going down, like turning whitish, then it's time to take it down. Turn off your stove, put it down, and then let it cool off. Then you sieve the water and you pour it into a spray bottle like this. How I do first is I apply some cream on my hair first, because I have high porosity hair. It dries easily, very fast. So I use this cream to like lock in the moisture. So what I do is I just apply the cream to my hair this way. I'm just focusing mainly on the scalp, and then I do it this way on the tip also. So this is just to lock in this moisture so it stays in there for a while before it gets dry. If you have high porosity hair type, you would want to do this cream or oil on your scalp and your hair, concentrating on the tip also. Then you just grab your spray bottle and just spray the onion water on your hair and just massage it in. You want to make sure that you get every part of the hair, the scalp, the hair, the root, and the tip. Just soak everywhere with it. And the edges too, if you're experiencing hair loss around your edges. So when you are done doing this, you want to really get it all in there. Get the roots and then get the tips also. And then you massage it in. Take your time, don't rush this process. Massage it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't be like, I have things I want to go and do. I mean, if you want your hair to grow, you have to put in the work, right? So when you're done massaging like this, the next thing you want to do is grab a plastic bag, or if you have a shower cap, then we just close it in like this. You leave it in this cap for like 30 minutes to an hour. Then you wash it off. A steady regimen that I use for my hair, but anytime I get the time, I just do it. Like when I take down my protective hairstyle, I do it before I wash my hair. If you find it helpful in any way, which I'm sure you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Subscribe to my channel. You see your girl Belinda, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.